room tour of a tent at Cherero Camp on the Serengeti. So right when you walk in, I'll start over here. Right when you walk in through the tent, and the savannah, it's hard to see, is right out there. There's a nice little mat here. We have rain boots that you can use to walk around the camp, a luggage rack, and then we have a pull-out couch and a coffee table and 2 little chairs. There's a room divider here if you have guests staying on the couch. And then as we come in here, we have 2 twin beds. This cabin has a ceiling fan, which is nice. The breeze just picked up. We have the windows open to give us a nice breeze. And we have a writing desk here, which I just love. It just feels so like, you know, out of Africa. There is a yoga mat here, so you can go out and do yoga. There's chairs right here. I don't think you can really see them. And then, of course, there's lightning happening off in the distance. Feels like we'll probably get some rain. There's a nice little chair, and we do have a full-length mirror. We have the 2 beds. And then as we come in here, we have the water coffee station. There is instant coffee, and there's cups, but I can't quite figure out because there's no kettle. So I'm not sure how we make the water hot for coffee. We got to figure that out. We have a safe, hangers, clean clothesbin, so you wash your clothes by hand and then you can put them in here. There's a hamper, and then we have the robes and the slippers. And then here we go. Here is the savannah right out there. We have a nice rain shower here that you can actually open the window and see right out into the savannah, and tons of towels, and the bathroom is very, very nice. The whole place has the wood floors, and then in the bathroom we have 2 sinks and 2 mirrors. We have lights on each side, just great chandelier. We are totally glamping here. I'm pretty excited about that. We have the toilet and everything that you need, comforts of home, right here in a tent on the savannah.